Record.
Well, why are you guys bringing dinner right now?
Wait, start all over.
Tell me when we're going.
No question. Going.
I need you guys to be quiet. So tell me when. Tell me when
Quiet on set.
Oh, I don't get blind, dude.
Hello, my name is Abraxas Sanchez here at Shore High School. It's June 2nd, 2016. I'm having little problems right now. Besides my cough, this is my therapist, Jocelyn Delgado. Jocelyn.
Hello there.
And my problem today is that my friends tricked me. It was my birthday yesterday, and they said they gave me a present. They said it was a candy apple. It wasn't a candy apple. It was an onion, and it was covered in caramel, and it looked like an onion, you know. And I trusted them, and once I bit into it, it was so bitter. So what should I do about this?
I don't know, man. I don't know. I need someone to. Oh my god, I'm gonna get blind.
Hey, can they hear you?
He's recording. What'd she say? What'd she say?
Let's check it out inside.
Dude, that's